Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you about the broadcast. In WhatsApp, broadcast is a very good way of communicating to various people. Like when you create a broadcast and send any message, text, or a picture. So when you send it, it delivers to each participants individually. So that is the beauty of a broadcast. Unlike group, in group you have to add certain people, and they all are informed that you have added them to the group. So in broadcast, when you create a broadcast, no one is informed that you have a list of broadcasts, and when you send anything, it reaches them, but each person thinks that you have sent to only that particular person. So that is the good thing about broadcast. Let's dive in to learn broadcast. First you will open WhatsApp. Then on the top right corner there are three dots. Just click this. Then you have an option, new broadcast. This is the second option, so just click this. Then you have different name of the list, the contact list which you have already in your phone, that will be displayed, you can see here. So just start selecting it. So I am selecting few of my contacts here. You can also search for the contact and you can add it also. And then you can click on the bottom side, there is a circle with a tick sign, so just click here. Now your broadcast is ready. Now once you created a broadcast, obviously you want to give it a unique name, so you will click here on the top portion, and then you will click on this pencil like mark which is on the right side on the broadcast display, and you can see here. And now you can change the name. Right now I am writing the name of my channel, but you can write any name whatever you like, by which you want to create a broadcast. So then I will click on OK. Now my broadcast is created, and it has a unique name. Now if I want to edit the recipient, there are two options. One is on the top right corner, that there is a contact like icon with plus sign. So if you click here, you can see you can add or delete any contact from here from your list. Or second option is that there is a edit recipient, so you can click this, and then you see I can just click on any contact and then it will be added. And you can also search any from the top right corner, and if you want to remove any contact, just click again the contact which you have selected, or you can also alternatively press the cross button. So this is how you can edit the recipient. And then you need to click on again on the green circle with tick sign. So now this is your broadcast, and now if you send message to anyone, it will reach to everyone individually, and that is the quality of a broadcast. If you click on the top right corner here, there are some tweaks which you can do, like changing the wallpaper, and if you want to see the member of the broadcast, and if you want to see what is the media which you have sent or received. So if you click on this second option, right now it's empty because we haven't sent any message or receive any media, but once you do it, it will be displayed here. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please do subscribe my channel if you haven't, and share this with your friends and family so that may benefit also, as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.